Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to send V1's photos on WhatsApp. First of all, open WhatsApp and choose the chat where you want to send the photo. Tap the camera or attachment icon, then select your photo or video. Before sending, look for a small one icon inside a circle next to the send button. Tap that icon. This activates the view once more. If video help you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below for more WhatsApp tricks. Tata.